Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50 and today's workout. Today is Thursday, so we are doing core. Very excited to do this workout with you guys today. We have 10 different exercises, 25 repetitions per exercise, so nice and simple. Gonna get down on the ground and stay on the ground throughout the duration of this workout. Just follow along with me. The previews will be up on the screen. We're starting off with sit-ups, so let's get going. 25 reps per exercise, like I said, or close enough for government work. My counting is always under suspect when I'm doing these exercises. Ready? 25 sit-ups. I don't care where your hands are, if they're behind your head or in front of you. I'm leaving in front of you from this exercise. So let's get going in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2. No clock. We're just going. We're exercising. 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep it up. 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 20 left, 5 left. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And sit back down and relax for a few seconds. Not too long. Like I said, no clock. We're just kind of doing these on feel. Starts hurting too much, we'll slow down a little bit. All right, double leg raises. You guys ready? 25. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep it up. 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. 3. Challenge that core with me today. 4, 5. I know my core is going to be challenged. 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I want to sit up and rest a little bit. All right, now we're going hand to toe. Previews up on the screen. Start on whatever side you want to start on. I'm going to start with the right hand, left foot. Everything back. I don't care where your other arm is at. Just want to make sure I get enough room. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1. Let's go for 25. 1, 2. Not that flexible, so it's right hand to left shin for me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep it up. 9 and 10. Almost halfway there. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 20. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And relax. Take a few seconds. Once again, I want to make sure I get enough room. Now, since I'm going the other direction, my chin might be hitting the microphone, so excuse the poor sound if there is going to be any. Whew, you guys ready to go? If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Boom, 10. Let's go, keep it up. 3, 4, 5, 6. Come on, 7, 8. Keep it up, stay with it. 9, 20. 5 left. 1. Let's go. 3, 4. One more, and 5. And relax. All right, what do we got next? What's on the list? On the list, we have scissor kicks. So I don't want you just to do flutter kicks. I want you to follow along with me at my pace, all right? We're gonna slow these down a little bit. Make it a little bit more challenging. Hands under the butts. As we say, legs out, legs up, and let's go. 1, 2, 1, 4, keep it up. 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep going. 1, 2, good job. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. Keep it up. 1, keep the lower back squeezed into the ground. 3, 4, 5. And I think that was 25. Boy, that seemed really short, didn't it? Anyway, Russian twists are coming up next. So you can sit up a little bit, stretch out, take a nice deep breath. All right, tell me how much you love Fit Up to 50 in the comments below. Give me a big old like and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Boom. Woo. We are officially past the halfway point. All right, flip on over. A little bit of mountain climbers. You know what? I lied. Let's go for 50 mountain climbers because 25 are gonna fly by like that. It's gonna be too easy. And you guys are gonna complain, Paul, these workouts on Thursdays, these core workouts are really easy. You know, I'm gonna go look somewhere else for something a little more challenging. So let's not do that. Ready? 50 mountain climbers, 50 on one leg. Just follow along with me. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, boom, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Keep it up. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30 again. Keep it up. 2, 3, 4. Push it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Paul can't count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. What's going on? 1, 2, come on. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 10 left, I promise. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo! I had to do it, sorry. Just had to do it. All right, mountain climbers are done. Moving on to candlesticks. I have nothing to hold on to. That's all right. I promise we're going for 25, not 26, not 100, just 25. Woo, a little out of breath, feeling good. You guys feeling good? Feel good with me. 3, 2, 1, legs out and legs up. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep it up. 1, come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 5 more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. And 5. Woo! Those always burn me. They feel good. All right. We had candlesticks. Now we're going hands to both feet. Once again, I'm not flexible. Gonna reach as high as I can, and that's that. All right, how you guys doing? We got 2 exercises left, 50 repetitions. Not adding any more reps, so we're good. All right, I think I got room behind me. Enough room behind me at least. You guys ready to go? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Reach up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, reach up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 left. Keep it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 2 left. Last 1 and 2. Oh, boy, this burns. Yes, I have a hard time speaking because I'm tired. Hopefully you're just tired as I am. Less tired, more tired. Are you crazy enough to do this again? I'm not. All right, so let me just roll these shorts down just a little bit. And here we go, we're going crunchy frog. So the back end of this exercise session today is very, very concentrated on the lower abs. That's where most of our problems are. Not that you can spot train, but it feels good hitting the lower abs regardless, right? Crunchy frog, 25 reps. You guys ready to go? Find the balance and let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be called crunchy knees. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 15 left. Ready? 1, 2. Feet never hit the ground. 3, 4. Come on. 5. Stay with me. 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 20. You got 5 left. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Last 1 and 5. That's it, guys. That's it. We went through 10 different exercises, 25 repetitions each, besides the mountain climber. So this wasn't a 250 repetition exercise. It was probably more like 300. Thank you for joining me today at Fit After 50. My name is Paul. I had a great time working out with you guys today. I hope you come back every Monday and every Thursday. Every Thursday we work on core. So make at least come back for that once a week. Very important. And I'll see you guys during the next workout.